happy Dhanteras to all my viewers who are watching out there. I'm Priyanka and you are watching Organizopedia. As today it's Dhanteras, the festival has almost started. Our guests are coming over to our place for chit-chatting and for having dinner and lunch. So the most used area of the house is the dining table. So today I'm going to show you two different ways to organize your dining table for your guests this Diwali. So these are the two ways. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, we need to choose a color theme, and for this dining table I chose a blue and white color theme. So blue is the table runner, and I just simply lie this table runner on my dining table, as you can see, with the cute tassels across its border. So next I chose this particular wooden tray, and I simply keeping it on the middle of my dining table. And next I choose this vintage old small achar burnies, and I'm just simply displaying them on my dining table. I just simply lie them on the wooden tray, 4 of them like this. So just to go with ongoing theme, I chose this old brass vintage teapot, which I'm not using it to carry tea. Rather I chose to keep fake flowers, and I turned this particular teapot into a flower pot, as you can see, and it looks quite awesome and it's giving a very antique touch to my dining table. Next I chose some more small brass old utensils, just to keep spoons and napkins and everything in this particular small utensils like this. First for spoons, and second I chose to keep napkin papers. So it's Diwali and your any decoration is incomplete without candles. So I chose this candle and I used it as a candle holder. So this is all about the first look, and it turned out to be quite sophisticated and it's looking very antique and everything. So just to avoid the overdoing with this particular antique theme, you can serve your guest in regular steel plates. So this is the first look, and I tried to give it more a traditional touch. So as you can see, I have used all those small old achar burnies. I used a brass teapot to make it a flower pot, and in the same way I used this to carry my spoons and to napkin. So this is the first look. So for the second arrangement, I chose the same color theme, that is the blue and white. So I used the same table runner, and I just made this candle holder with the wine glasses, which I'm just simply keeping it in the middle of my dining table. And then I use this modern pickle containers. Just to match it with the theme, I used these blue containers only, and I chose this square vase and keeping at the other side of my dining table, and then I'm simply arranging the same white flowers. Next I chose this mason jar, and I used it as a napkin holder, as you can see, so as to match with the theme. A normal glass as a spoon holder. Since it's a blue and white color theme, I decided to go with the white color plates. And in the second way, I used all the modern things to make it quite modern. As you can see, I have used this glass vase, wine glasses as candle holder, mason jar for keeping my tissues, and in a very normal glass I kept the spoons. And these are the pickle containers. So in today's video, I tried to give two different looks to my dining table. First, I tried to make it more traditional and a vintage look, and then second, I tried to make it more modern. And if you enjoyed both the looks, then please do subscribe to my channel. Happy Dhanteras once again, and